So today I wanted to share with you guys a makeup tutorial. I haven't done this in a very long time, and I wanted to sit down and teach you guys very simple looks, like creating a winged liner, which I'm gonna be doing today, creating a very simple smoky eye which will come up later in the future. And let me know in the comment section below any suggestions that you guys want to see, like what kind of looks you want to learn, what kind of looks that you'd like to do on an everyday basis. Let me know in the comment section below. So today we are gonna be doing a winged liner makeup look. I know a lot of you girls out there struggle to do winged liner. I'm also one of them. I'm not a master in it. So today I have got you guys covered. We are gonna be doing a very simple winged liner look. You can do any colored winged liner by this technique. Let it be blue, black, brown, red, yellow, pink, orange, anything that you want to do, you can definitely get it using this particular technique. So let's quickly get started. So first I'm gonna start with my base makeup. I'm gonna keep my base makeup very light because I want it to be wearable for like everyday wear. So I'm gonna start off with primer. Now primer is very important for me because I want to blur out my pores. I'm an oily skin type, so I do not want the oils to seep through, and I want my makeup to last the entire day. So the primer that I'm using is the NYX Total Control Drop Primer. So before going in with any kind of makeup, make sure that you have moisturized your skin very well. I've already done that. If you want to see how I do my skincare, I will link it somewhere here. So next I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm going to conceal my dark circles around my mouth where I have a little bit of a discoloration. As you guys can see, I'm a little bit darker here. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Photofocus concealer by Wet n Wild. I'm in the shade medium tawny. Now this is exactly the shade of my skin tone, and just to brighten it just a little bit, I'm going to be using the same concealer in the shade a light medium. And I'm also going to apply this on my eyelids just to prime them. And then I'm going to spread everything with my damp beauty blender. And then I'm just gonna dot the lighter shade just a little bit to brighten it up. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of a cream contouring to give a little bit more shadows and shape to my face. I'm not gonna do anything extra. It's very easy to do. I'm just gonna take the Nykaa's cream to powder compact in the shade Coco Loco. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, just dip it in this particular cream to powder form. It's very easy to blend this particular one out, and I've just taken like this much amount, and all I'm gonna do is place it on the hollows of my cheeks right here. Start from the back so the product is settled behind, and then whatever is left, get it a little bit ahead, just like so. And then just to add a little bit of glow, I'm going to be using the LA Girls Luminous Glow Skin Illuminator. This is in the shade Afterglow. I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, take my beauty blender, dip it in that particular highlighter just a little bit, and just stamp it right at the highest points of my cheeks. So next I'm going to set everything. For that I'm going to use the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. So I'm not exactly going to bake. I'm just going to take a little bit on my beauty blender, and I'm just going to set the face very lightly with this. So first I'm actually going to groom my eyebrows very quickly. For that I'm just using my Brow by Benefit in the shade 04. So now for your eyes, all you need is one eyeshadow of the color of the wing that you want to create. Let it be a blue eyeshadow or a black eyeshadow or a brown eyeshadow, a red eyeshadow, any color wing that you want. Just take that particular shade of eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using the MAC's number 91 blue shimmery, navy blue shimmery eyeshadow. The second thing that you will need is a brush. You just need a flat eyeshadow brush. Grab any flat eyeshadow brush that you have. So now the trick is to grab anything flat like a credit card or a sheet of paper or cardboard paper. I'm just gonna grab this particular pouch that I have in which I got my MAC eyeshadow brushes. This was lying on my table and this is gonna be very handy for me to draw my winged liner. So it has this flat sharp edge, that's all you need. So now you're gonna place this at the edge of your eye, following your lower lash line and towards your eyebrows upwards. All I'm gonna do is first draw the outer edge of my wing, just like that. So here you can be very careless, like just draw your line and then just join it inside. So that's about it. So you just got your line in that particular direction. Don't worry, we'll make it precise. So once you've got your guideline, all you're gonna do is fill it in now. Just slowly get that eyeshadow inwards. Once you got your guide, it's very easy to follow that particular line. So now your wings are drawn. Now you want to make it precise. For that purpose, I'm just gonna take another flat brush like so, and I'm gonna take the concealer that we used to apply under our eyes and then just clean it from below, just like so. So now all I'm going to do is apply mascara and some lashes. Y'all can definitely skip lashes, but I just want to apply lashes today. I just feel like it. So for mascara, I'm just using my Sigma Beauty's Black Sinuosity Lash Mascara. And for lashes, I am going to be using my Nazakat Lash by Henna Beauty. So till the time my lashes are drying, I'm going to do the rest of my face. So for that, I'm using the Milani's Bronzer XL All Over Glow in the shade Fake Tan. And I'm just using my PAC 211 brush to bronze up my face. Blush, after such a long time, I'm gonna be using the Milani's Baked Blush in the shade Bellessimo Bronze, and I'm just gonna apply it at the back of my cheeks. I'm not gonna get it to a hair. I just want to keep it right here to keep my face a little bit more sculpted. And that LA Girl highlighter just gives such a beautiful glow. Even after putting products on top of it, it's still peeking through. So definitely I'm gonna apply a highlighter. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using the NYX's Born to Glow highlighter in the shade Chosen One. This is like a beautiful goldeny highlighter. And to apply highlighter, I'm gonna be using the PAC 094 brush. This is a very good brush to apply highlighter very precisely, and it blends it out pretty damn well as well. You see that? It's beautiful. Oh, I forgot to do one step. So usually before applying a highlighter, I like to spray my face and set it so that you have that wet face to apply the highlighter very glossily. So I'm just gonna spray my face with the Natio Rose Water Hydration. This is a rose water mist, and now we're gonna apply lots of highlighter. You see that? It's blinding. You can definitely go for a very natural glow as well. I love a blinding highlight, so yeah, that's my jam. So now for lips, again, I'm going to give you all two options. One is a darker nude lipstick and one is a darker plummy red color. So for the nude option, I'm going to be using the Miss Claire's Glimmerstick in the shade brown, along with Maybelline's creamy matte sensational lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. And then for the darker lip option, I'm going to be using the Australis Velourlips Matte Lip Cream in the shade Buda-Pash. So this particular lip shade is a little bit patchy, but I absolutely love this color. So yeah guys, this is the second lip option. I honestly love the second lip option. It looks so beautiful and it complements my blue eyeliner so well. So yeah guys, I hope you guys learned how to do a very quick winged liner. Do try it out, tag me in your photos so that I can see your recreation. So yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comment section below what you all would like to see next. So I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.